Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the world of automotive care to find the ultimate solution for your engine's performance, the best fuel injector cleaner. Join us as we explore the top products, their benefits, and how they can optimize your vehicle's fuel efficiency and power. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful content. Number 1. Chevron 67740 Case Techron Concentrate Plus Fuel System Cleaner, a game changer for your vehicle's performance. This 12 ounces wonder bottle packs a punch, revitalizing your engine's fuel system with unmatched efficiency. Say goodbye to sluggish acceleration and pesky engine knocks as Techron works its magic, cleaning fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers with precision. Its advanced formula not only restores lost power but also enhances fuel economy, saving you money in the long run. Whether you're driving a daily commuter or a high-performance machine, this fuel system cleaner delivers results you can feel. Upgrade your ride with Chevron Techron and experience the difference firsthand. Number 2. Stabil 360 Marine Ethanol Treatment and Fuel Stabilizer. This powerhouse product offers comprehensive fuel system care, serving as a full fuel system cleaner, fuel injector cleaner, and water remover. Engineered to protect your fuel system, it's a must-have for marine enthusiasts. With the ability to treat up to 80 gallons of fuel and packed in an 8 fluid ounces bottle, it's convenient and cost-effective. Whether you're battling ethanol-related issues or simply seeking optimal engine performance, this product delivers peace of mind and performance in one bottle. Say goodbye to fuel system worries with Stabil 360. Number 3. Liqui Moly 2007 Injectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner is a game changer for engine performance. This 300 milliliters bottle packs a punch, rejuvenating your vehicle's fuel system effortlessly. Its blue hue signifies its powerful cleansing abilities, ensuring your engine runs smoother and more efficiently. With 10.14 fluid ounces of potent formula, it effectively removes deposits, restores lost power, and enhances fuel efficiency. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just seeking better mileage, this cleaner delivers results you can feel. Say goodbye to sluggish starts and hello to a revitalized engine with Liqui Moly 2007 Injectron Gasoline Fuel Injection Cleaner. Number 4. Gumout 510013 High Mileage Fuel Injector Cleaner, a game changer for your vehicle's performance. This 6-ounce bottle packs a punch, targeting the issues commonly faced by high-mileage engines. With regular use, it revitalizes fuel injectors, restoring lost power and efficiency. Say goodbye to rough idling and hesitation, as this cleaner works its magic, improving throttle response and fuel economy. Its potent formula dissolves carbon deposits, ensuring optimal engine performance. Plus, it's easy to use, just pour and go. Whether you're a seasoned driver or just hitting a milestone with your vehicle, Gumout's high-mileage fuel injector cleaner is a must-have for maintaining peak engine health. Trust in Gumout for smoother rides and longer engine life. Number 5. Chevron Techron's 12 ounces Fuel System Cleaner. As an avid car enthusiast, I've tried my fair share of fuel additives, but this one truly stands out. From the moment I added it to my tank, I noticed a significant improvement in engine performance. The cleaner effectively removes deposits and improves fuel economy, giving my vehicle a smoother ride and increased power. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use. Just pour it in during your regular fill-up. Whether you're looking to enhance your engine's performance or simply maintain its efficiency, Chevron Techron's Fuel System Cleaner is a must-have for any car owner. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. In conclusion, finding the best fuel injector cleaner is crucial for maintaining engine performance. With our comprehensive review, you can make an informed decision for your vehicle's needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and be sure to like and share this video with fellow enthusiasts.